Well, hello everybody. Welcome to We Review You. I'm Sean, and today is a 21 volt, really powerful cordless impact driver from our friends over at GOYWATO, GOYWATO, excuse me, and the 21 volt cordless impact driver. Now it's brushless, comes with two batteries. I'll go over that with you here real quickly. In less than 5 minutes, I've learned that some of you guys, that's the sweet spot. You want to stick around for about 4 or 5 minutes and learn what's in the box. So let's go over that right now and talk about it. What's in the box? As we welcome you to our channel, I'm Sean. Once again, thanks for tuning in. We're going to go over this wonderful device. If you got dad, maybe you need a Christmas gift or a birthday gift, the TWID001 is a great model, very powerful. It comes with two batteries. It comes with a bunch of little tools here to get you started. Great little gift idea. But I tell you what, essential to have. Throw this thing in the back of the truck or in the car. If you need a project, this thing will knock it out. Two batteries, charger, everything you need comes complete, including a carrying case. I'll tell you guys right now, I tested it on just a couple of things outside. I don't really have a lot of projects that we're needing, but I do have a fence and a gate that constantly needs a little bit of work. So I'm constantly adding more screws to it. When the wood starts going bad, I'm going to be replacing it. So I'll show you guys that here in a little while before there's any judgment. The whole entire fencing area is going to get replaced here soon. But for right now, I'm just leaving it as it is. And I will show you guys when we go outside here just a few minutes what we discovered. Now, two different power settings. There's the low speed and high speed. And you can really feel this thing torque in your hands as you push the button and squeeze it there. The first setting is on low speed. The second setting, as you press the button, is on high speed. Shows the battery charge and life that you have left. Now, this thing is brushless. So as I said, as far as performance-wise, I got to tell you, it runs like one of your high, I won't mention any names, but high dollar ones. Even go into some Harbor Freights and some of those. They have some really comparable units that you can order, in fact, just right from our link if you like. So two variable speeds there, gives you all the power you need, or just enough power to tackle any project. And again, like I said, it does come with several accessories here that you have, from 3/16 to 7/16 and 5 all the way up to 12 mil on the little tools that they give you here. Now, I will tell you, these things come in very, very handy. If you don't have it, a set of bit drivers like your Phillips and flathead, very, very handy to have if you don't have one already. Now, be careful. Don't screw them down too fast, and make sure you do choose the right one for the job, or you'll strip the heads out on it. Very powerful. Now, let me pause as you listen to the actual device itself so you can hear just exactly how powerful this thing really is. So plenty of power here, as you see. And as I said, that really torques in your hand. You'll feel what I'm talking about when you grab one of these things. I'll put a link in the description, as I always do. And now let's take it outside and let me go tackle that little fence and the little gate that I was telling you about. So as you can see, I started the screw here. I'm going to be replacing all this wood here shortly, but you can see I've already had a couple in here. This thing just blasts right on through that. Now, I know that wood is a little dry, but it's still on the inside green. I'll show you a couple more as we go. In fact, I tried to screw in one, didn't realize I was actually screwing exactly into the end of another screw as I went onto the other side to fix a board that was pulling loose. So this is the board I was telling you about. And I also decided to go ahead and fix the hinge. And as you can see here real quickly, just drives those suckers right on home. Look at that. I did it slowly to show you, because if not, it would have just right on in, and away it would have been. Well, this was, again, another video in under 5 minutes. I'm Sean. Thank you guys for watching. Link is in the description from our friends over at GOYWATO. This is a 21 volt unit. I thank you guys for watching. Melody Music, take it away.
Tired of searching for library music? Find the perfect track in seconds. AI search, intuitive tags, search exclusions, fresh, curated, original by award-winning artists, trusted by major brands and creators. No copyright strikes, just great music. Melody.
Once again, 2 more videos coming up. Watch this next one, or the recommended one video right here from Sean Christie, baby girl, in the Great Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, to your home. We review you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, share with somebody that may be able to use one of these. Take care, everyone. See ya. Go home now. It's over.